YouTube Automation Niches 2023. Are you looking for a way to make money online? Have you considered starting a YouTube channel? With the rise of automation technology and the constant evolution of internet culture, 2023 could be an opportune time to join the world's largest video sharing platform. But where do you start? Choosing a niche is crucial to success on YouTube, as is consistency in your content creation. In this video, we'll explore how YouTube automation can help with both of these aspects while also discussing the differences between passive and active income. So buckle up and get ready to learn about some exciting niches for YouTube automation in 2023. Starting a YouTube channel can be a daunting task, but it's also an exciting opportunity to express yourself and potentially make money online. The first step is to determine what type of content you want to create. Do you have expertise in a certain area that you could share with others? Are you passionate about gaming, beauty, or cooking? Whatever your interests are, there is likely an audience on YouTube waiting for content related to them. Once you've chosen your niche, it's important to start creating consistent content. This not only helps build trust with your audience but also signals to the algorithm that your channel is active and relevant. Consistency doesn't necessarily mean daily uploads. Find a schedule that works for you and stick with it. Another key component of building a successful YouTube channel is understanding your target audience. Who are they? What do they like, dislike about similar channels in your niche? Use this information to tailor your content specifically towards their interests while still remaining true to yourself. Remember, starting a YouTube channel takes time and effort. But if done correctly, it can lead to great rewards both financially and creatively. Choosing a niche for your YouTube channel is one of the most important decisions you'll make in your journey to success. The right niche can set you apart from other channels and help you attract a loyal audience. But, how do you choose the best niche for you? Firstly, consider what topics interest and excite you. Choosing a niche that aligns with your passions ensures consistency in creating content that resonates with your personality. Secondly, research popular niches on YouTube and analyze their audiences. This allows you to identify gaps or potential opportunities within those niches where competition may not be as fierce. Thirdly, take into account market trends and future predictions when selecting your niche. For example, tech reviews are expected to rise significantly by 2023, meaning it could be an excellent time to start a tech-focused channel. Remember that choosing a niche isn't permanent. It's okay to pivot if necessary. With these tips in mind, select the perfect niche for maximum engagement and growth possibilities. Firstly, video quality will continue to be a huge factor in determining success on the platform. With advancements in technology, viewers are becoming more discerning when it comes to production value. So, if you haven't already invested in high-quality equipment or worked on improving your editing skills, now is the time. Secondly, we can expect an even greater emphasis on authenticity and transparency from creators. Audiences want to connect with real people who they feel they can trust. This means being honest about sponsorships, sharing personal stories and opinions, and engaging with viewers through comments. With increasing competition for attention on YouTube, consistency will be key. Committing to a regular upload schedule, whether that's daily or once a week, will help keep audiences engaged and coming back for more. In summary, 2023 looks set to be an exciting year for content creators, but also one where those who don't adapt may fall behind their competitors. Consistency is key when it comes to building a successful YouTube channel. It's not enough to just upload videos sporadically and hope for the best. You need to have a regular schedule that your viewers can rely on. Posting consistently shows your audience that you're committed to providing them with valuable content, which in turn helps build trust and loyalty. When you establish a routine, people will know when they can expect new content from you, making it easier for them to plan their viewing habits accordingly. Not only does consistency benefit your audience, but it also benefits you as the creator. By sticking to a consistent posting schedule, you'll be able to better manage your time and resources. This means less stress and more control over the creative process. Additionally, YouTube's algorithm rewards channels that post regularly with higher visibility in search results and suggestions. So, if you want your channel to grow organically, consistency is definitely something worth prioritizing. Maintaining consistency should be at the forefront of every YouTube creator's mind if they want long-term success on the platform. If you're serious about building a successful YouTube channel, then you should consider using YouTube automation tools. These are programs that can help you automate some of the tedious tasks involved in managing and growing your channel. One of the most popular uses for YouTube automation is scheduling videos to be published at specific times. This takes away the burden of manually publishing each video and ensures that your content is delivered consistently to your audience. Another benefit of using automation on YouTube is being able to track important metrics like views, likes, and comments more easily. You can use these insights to adjust your strategy and improve engagement with your viewers. There are also tools available which allow you to automatically respond to comments or messages left by viewers on your videos. This not only saves time but also helps build a stronger connection with your audience. However, it's important to remember that while these tools can certainly make things easier, they shouldn't replace human interaction entirely. It's still crucial for creators to engage with their community regularly through live streams, Q&A sessions, or other forms of direct communication. Ultimately, leveraging smart automation techniques can help free up valuable time so that creators can focus on producing high-quality content while still maintaining consistency across their channel, an essential ingredient for success in 2023. Making money online has become a popular topic in recent years, and for good reason. With the rise of e-commerce and digital marketing, there are now countless ways to earn passive income from the comfort of your own home. One great way to make money online is through YouTube automation. By creating a successful YouTube channel in a profitable niche, you can generate ad revenue and sponsorships without having to actively work on your videos every day. Of course, it takes time and effort to build up a successful channel that brings in consistent income. But once you've put in the work up front, you'll be able to enjoy the benefits of passive income for years to come. It's important to remember that while making money online can be lucrative, it's not an overnight success story. It requires consistency and dedication over time. If you're willing to put in the hard work, however, you can create a sustainable source of income that allows you more freedom and flexibility than traditional jobs. In addition, it's worth noting that there is often a difference between active income, where you trade hours for dollars, versus passive income, where you do the work up front but continue earning money over time. While both types of income have their pros and cons, many people find that building up sources of passive income offers greater financial stability and long-term growth potential. If you're looking for ways to make money online with minimal ongoing effort required after initial setup, then exploring opportunities like YouTube automation may be worth considering as part of your personal finance strategy. In today's world, where online entrepreneurship is becoming more and more popular, YouTube automation has become a game changer. By automating your content creation process, you can save time and focus on other aspects of growing your channel. However, it's important to remember that YouTube automation alone isn't enough to guarantee success. You still need to choose the right niche for your channel and consistently create quality content if you want to attract viewers and grow your following. But perhaps most importantly, understanding the difference between passive income and active income is key. While both offer financial rewards, passive income allows for greater freedom in terms of time management as the money keeps coming in even when you're not actively working on new content. Active income requires constant work to generate revenue. So think carefully about what kind of income stream you want from your YouTube channel. Do you want the freedom that comes with passive income, or are you prepared to put in the work required for active income? By keeping these considerations in mind while leveraging YouTube automation niche's 2023 trend predictions, you'll be well positioned for success now and into the future. So go ahead, start exploring those niches.